Here is my next project, 1983 Airstream. This is going to be interesting. Actually in pretty good shape. Got a lot of work to do. We're going to totally gut it. And this is inside. We are going to completely gut this trailer. And as far as water leaks, it's actually not in bad shape. It's at 83, so remember, yeah, got a lot of work to do. Bedroom area, we're gonna take these twin beds out. We're gonna build a king size bed in here. Should be nice and roomy when we're done. Yeah, so just want to do a little walkthrough before video before I start gutting her out. Nice little lights. And it's good. That's what it looks like now. Supposedly AC works, so that's cool. Ha! Get it? Kitchen. Gotta make some sketches, kind of what's here now, and then we'll start tearing it out. Now that pulls it down, that's gonna go. There's stereo system, switches, speaker. All right. about to do is attempt to slide this subfloor out the ends. So I've done all my prep work. I've got all the rivets, the bottom pan undone from the C-channel, and so now we're going to try and slide it out the end. I'll show you. So as you can see, I've taken all the rivets out, all the way around the trailer to the bottom pan. I left the C-channel in place, except in the front I had to take this angle iron out. But as you can see, now I have clearance back here. Now what I've done is I jacked up the trailer using the built-in jacks that come with the trailer. I raised it up as high as I could go, and then I blocked it with my sawhorses and 2x6s. 2x6 runs all the way through to the other side, and then after I got it blocked up, I let those jacks back down. So that let the rear end sag just enough to be able to slide that plywood on out of there. I don't know, this is my first attempt. I've been watching videos, and with the equipment I have, this is going to be my best option. So you can see there's a different kind of C-channel at the end of this Airstream on each end, and then on the sides it changes to this channel where the plywood sits in. So hopefully I'll be able to slide those other pieces out the end. And here, let's give it a try.